What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm bringing you a hair video, and as you know, this year I am a Shea ambassador for SheaMoisture for the class of 2018, hence my shirt that I'm rocking, Shea ambassador, woo woo. So in this video I'm going to be reviewing some hair products which I'm super excited about, and these products were sent to me in the second PR package, so I'm super excited to be reviewing this with you guys, and this is my first time trying out the line. This is the SheaMoisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair collection, which is in the light blue packaging. I don't know if y'all can see that. They sent 5 different products: the shampoo, the conditioner, the protein treatment, the leave-in, and then a split-end balm. They also sent this little card here that was laying on top of the packaging. I'm just gonna read what it claims to do for this entire collection. And again, this is the Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair collection, and it has Mafura and Baobab oils. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Again with the words. So it just says it's supposed to reduce breakage on heat styled hair and strengthen and revitalize your hair basically. So yeah, it says certified organic and fair trade shea butter, Manuka honey, and yogurt blend in a reparative formula that fortifies brittle hair with strand supporting proteins while providing intense moisture. This collection strengthens hair by reducing breakage up to 76%. So that's what these products claim to do. So again, it's more so for those of you with brittle hair, very dry, damaged hair, and I'm guessing more so for heat styled hair. Even though I didn't heat style my hair, I still wanted to test these products out on my curly hair and just give you guys my opinion on what I felt, you know, what worked for me and what didn't work for me. And before I start off with the shampoo, I do want to say that when I first saw this collection on Instagram, when they came out with this collection, I was so happy because, you know, they randomly come out with new products all the time. So I'm like, ooh, what's this? I gotta try it. But I did not know that it was so focused on protein. Now, if you've been following me for a while, you know that I am very afraid of the protein because my hair's on the protein sensitive side. Like, I have low porosity hair and my hair is very fine, so I can't take a lot of protein. I've had some bad experiences in the past, so I was a bit afraid when I opened up this box and actually read what these products are supposed to do and the ingredients that they have in them. So when I saw protein, I was just like, ooh, am I gonna like this? I don't know. Obviously I already used it, so I'm just gonna go through each specific product like I said and just give you my quick thoughts on it. Okay, so obviously in the shower I started off with the shampoo and conditioner. All these products contain Manuka honey, yogurt extract, and Mafura oil. Now, I am not new to the Manuka honey and Mafura oil. They actually have another line with that in it, and I think it's like in the dark brown tube or packaging, and it's the intense hydration one, which is one of my favorite lines from SheaMoisture. So I'm not new to those ingredients, but I am new to the yogurt extract. On the back of the bottle it just says the yogurt extract, this formula adds nourishing moisture to your hair. So it says it adds moisture to your hair, but again, when I think of yogurt I think of like protein for some reason when it comes to hair. So I guess I'll start with the shampoo first. Now, this shampoo is very, very thick. It surprised me in the shower. It's a very, very thick and creamy shampoo, and I don't think I've used anything like this from SheaMoisture. But yeah, a little bit goes a long way with this shampoo. In fact, I only used a quarter size amount to cover my entire head of hair. And I have this little thing here, which I think is a scalp massager. I'm not really sure what this is called, but it kind of reminds me of that little vibrating scalp massager from VitaGoods. I mean, I can really deal without this, to be honest, but it does feel really nice on the scalp when you just, you know, rub it in a little bit. Okay, so for the conditioner, again, this is supposed to hydrate and restore extremely dry and brittle hair. So my first thoughts when using this shampoo and conditioner is that it smells really, really good, y'all. Of course, SheaMoisture products, I mean, I don't think they fail in the smell department. But what did catch me off guard was the slip. Like, this didn't really do it for me. Like, I'm glad I detangled before I got in the shower, because if I didn't, I probably would have still been in there. But yeah, I've used other conditioners from SheaMoisture that provide a bit more slip. Also, it's not as moisturizing as I would have liked it to be, but I'm assuming that that's because it's more focused on protein. And even though it didn't give me as much slip, I was still able to get the job done. I mean, I got my hair detangled. It just took a little bit more time, and this conditioner is also very thick. And I do want to mention the packaging. I'm glad that they put these in the squeeze tube packaging, which I actually prefer over the bottles, because the pumps are so tiny, and SheaMoisture products are usually on the thicker side, so it's kind of hard to get product out of that little skinny pump. So SheaMoisture, if you're watching this video, y'all need to put all y'all's products in these squeeze tubes or jars, you know, or thicken up the pump, because I mean, I actually do prefer pumps, but I'm starting to like this packaging as well. But if you're gonna use a pump, thicken it up a little bit, because that product is hard to get out. Okay, so I know I said deep conditioning treatment, but it's actually a protein treatment. This is the Hydrate and Repair Protein Power Treatment. And I didn't actually use this jar. They actually sent a little sample packet of this same product. So just in case I didn't know whether I was going to like it or not, so I just decided to use the little sample packet. But yeah, this product is very, very, very thick, which you'll see a clip here in a second. I mainly focus this on the ends of my hair just because it is packed with protein. So I just focused it more so on the ends of my hair and working my way up. And I did use all the product that came in that sample size packet. But yeah, it just says to pay particular attention to damaged ends, and it also says to leave on your hair for 10 to 15 minutes. Now usually with my deep conditioning treatments, I leave my deep conditioners in for at least 30 minutes and up to an hour, more so an hour. Because this has protein in it, I followed the directions. So I only left this in my hair for 15 minutes and then I rinsed it completely out. And I did use my blow dryer attachment for heat for this protein treatment. Now I was pleasantly surprised with this product because it did not make my hair stiff or hard at all. Now, even though it says it's packed with protein, I feel like it's gentle enough for my kind of hair. Like, again, I have low porosity hair and my hair is very fine and it can't take a lot of protein because it does the adverse effect. My hair mostly needs moisture, so that's what I tend to focus my deep conditioning treatments on versus protein treatments. It has to be the right balance between, you know, moisture and protein. So for this product, even though it didn't make my hair hard or stiff, it lacked to me in the moisture department. But yeah, the only thing about this product here is that I just wish it would have had a little bit more moisture in it, because I really didn't feel like my hair absorbed as much as it normally does. Some of the product was still left sitting on top of my hair, but again, it's probably because my hair doesn't really need as much protein. And obviously I don't have brittle or damaged hair, so I'm guessing this would probably work better for someone who does heat style a lot, because like I said, I think this line is more so focused on those who heat style often, so I don't. But again, for this product for me, it was okay. It was okay. Again, I think it's gentle enough for me to use, but what I'm looking for is that moisture too. So I just feel like it needed a little bit more of a balance between the protein and the moisture. Usually when I do my wash and goes, I have to use like a moisturizing product, and sometimes I like to do a finisher like an oil or something, or a gel like a light gel, but I wanted to stay true to this video and this product review, so I only used the products that they sent me. This is the Hydrate and Repair Multi-Action Leave-In. Now, I have to be honest with y'all, I love SheaMoisture to death, but I was a little bit disappointed in this product because usually when I think of a leave-in conditioner, I think of moisture, and this did not do it for me. It doesn't feel like it's moisturized enough, and you'll see here in the little demo clip that I had to spray quite a bit of this because I was really dependent on this to, you know, hydrate my hair enough to where I could be okay in my wash and go. But again, this didn't really do it for me. It didn't have enough moisture in it. Maybe this would have been better if it came in a different kind of formula. Like this is the little spray bottle, and usually with leave-in conditioner spray bottles, I like to keep those for like refreshers. Like as I go throughout the week with my wash and go, I like to use bottles like this to spray my hair and give it like a little extra boost to maybe last another day or two. So this, I feel like maybe if they would have did this in a different form, like a cream or something, like in the jars that they normally do, maybe this would have done something different, but I don't know. But if I were to be heat styling my hair, I think that this will work because it's very lightweight and it's not greasy or sticky or anything like that. So I guess that's a good thing about it. So, okay, and the last product that I put in my hair is this Hydrate and Repair Split End Balm. Now, I haven't, or maybe it's just me, I didn't know SheaMoisture had balms, at least to my knowledge, but this is the first one that I've tried. But yeah, this is supposed to seal split ends and add shine. And my first thoughts when I first felt this product, I was like, what in the world? I guess I was expecting it to be a bit more on the creamy side, but it was kind of a hard, solid texture to it, and it actually felt waxy, and I don't like that feeling. When I saw that and felt it on my hands, I was like, okay, well, I'm not about to apply this everywhere. I'm just gonna scrunch it into my hair, which is what I did, and I didn't use very much. I only used like a finger on it, and that was it. And because it was so waxy and hard, it was kind of hard to rub in. So yeah, I really didn't like how it felt on my hands, and I don't really feel it on my hair right now. Like, I don't feel like my hair is waxy or weighed down or anything, but I mean, I think it's, for me, it's a no, because it just feels like a waste of product that I'm adding to my hair, even though I didn't use that much. I have to be honest with y'all, out of this whole collection, this is the least liked product for me. Like, even before using it, I was a bit skeptical just based off the name. It says Split End Balm. Now, if you've watched any of my past videos, you know how I feel about damaged ends and split ends. Like, to me, there's no going back from that. Like, once your hair is damaged, it's damaged. Like, the only thing that could fix it is deep conditioning, but even if your hair is splitting, I don't think that there's any product in the world that is gonna magically bind your hair strands back together. So I wasn't really sold on this particular product. So going in using this, I was just like, this is not really gonna do anything for me. And I don't really have split ends anyway. But I mean, I just don't believe in that, because if you keep your split ends and you not cutting them off, it's just going to continue splitting away. And like I said, I just don't believe that there's any product in the world that can fix split ends other than some scissors. You need to cut that off. But I mean, hey, maybe if you use it consistently enough, maybe there's some kind of unicorn magic in this jar that I don't know about. But yeah, it's a no for me though. Okay, so those were all the products that I wanted to review. My overall thoughts on the collection, I think I would give it like a 3 out of 5. Just looking at my results from my wash and go, my hair turned out okay. Obviously, my hair is not as defined as I would go for if I'm looking for that type of look. And obviously, because these products were not as moisturizing as I would have liked them to be, there's a lot of frizz. And I don't know, I don't think this wash and go is gonna last very long. I think it is more beneficial for someone who heat styles on a regular basis, someone that has that dry, extra brittle hair, and someone who is definitely on the high porosity side. I did enjoy using the shampoo and conditioner, so I'm definitely gonna keep those in rotation. The protein power treatment, the leave-in, and the split end balm, I'm not gonna keep that. In fact, I'm gonna find somebody else to give that to, because it didn't really work out for me. I mean, it's not the end of the world. I mean, I know SheaMoisture has tons and tons of other product lines that work out really good for me, and I mean, it just didn't work this time with this collection. But anyway, those were my final thoughts on this Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair collection from SheaMoisture, and you can find this collection at Ulta and also on SheaMoisture's website. Let me know in the comments if you've tried this line before and what were your thoughts on it. Also, because I didn't use this protein power treatment, I'm going to be gifting this to someone, so sort of like a little mini giveaway. So make sure you check the description box, and it's an 8-ounce jar, so there's plenty of product in here. And again, I did not use this, I did not even open it, so I want to gift it to one of you guys. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have to share with you guys for today. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up before you leave. Again, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and let me know if y'all want me to review some other products. Just, you know, leave it in the comments. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Mwah.